Handy Hudsonite here. In this video, I'll help you understand how to use the battery settings on your iPhone and also how to get this percentage to show like on mine. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max and this percentage will show like that. Older iPhones, it will be next to the battery symbol. Let's get into how to work with the battery settings. Open your settings app and then scroll down to battery, tap on that. And this menu will pop up. The bottom half will take a little bit to populate just because it's calculating battery percentage, and we'll get into that in a minute. The top toggles are ones that are very useful. As you can see, I have the battery percentage one toggled on. When I toggle it off, the percentage goes away in the battery symbol. This one is very handy for knowing the percentage of the battery instead of just trying to figure it out from the graphic. So you can keep that on if you'd like. Low power mode, and when I toggle that on, you'll notice my battery turns yellow. This temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. And so you may not see the peak performance with this on. So I usually just leave it off, but that's up to you. And then you have auto lock. Auto lock is currently turned off. If I toggle it on, this is important, especially if you forget to turn your screen off. I like to keep mine on because I always remember to turn it off anyway, but you can set your screen timeout from 30 seconds all the way up, of course, to never turning it off or 5 minutes. So if you aren't good about turning off your screen, I'd recommend choosing one of those options. Battery health and charging. This one shows your maximum capacity. My phone is a little over a year old, so this capacity is about right on for the age of my 13 Pro Max. Peak performance capability here. Built-in dynamic software that enables you maximum performance, optimize battery charging. This helps to reduce your battery aging, and it learns your charging routine, so I recommend toggling that on. And then clean energy charging. It will try to reduce your carbon footprint, and again, it learns your daily charging routines, and so it can reach full charge before you need it, and also helping the environment. Let's go back to the main battery settings menu. This is a great little graphic that shows you your battery usage over 24 hours by default. If you tap that, you can see it over the last 10 days. And you may not know, but you can actually tap and highlight certain days, and down below you'll see the battery usage changing based on which day that you're selecting. It shows the screen on, screen off time. And if you scroll down, just all the different apps and the percentage of the battery that they're using in that. So if I switch back to the last 24 hours, you can actually tap in on different segments of the last 24 hours. So if you see a peak like this one, you might be like, well, what was using the battery so much? And you can see that I had it connected to the charger, which is indicated by this lightning symbol. But if I tap in somewhere else, then it'll show me the apps that I was using most of the time during that particular segment of time, so that you can just learn maybe how to reduce your battery usage just by your own habits. And so that's a quick overview of the battery settings in your iPhone. Please let me know any other questions you have related to battery settings on your iPhone, tips that you have for the community, and also be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos with tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.